Howdy y'all, I have another fix for you for The Sims 3. Those of you who were watching me streaming earlier today when my game crashed and I got everything back up and going, came into here, this was blank. It was completely empty. Okay, that was kind of frustrating. I was able to start the game, able to get back into the game, into the Dragon Valley Soga, which is custom content from this server. But obviously I wasn't going to leave it like that forever. So I went into the internet, I looked around, and I found someone who pointed me in the right direction of the fix. So what we're going to do is we're going to press the Windows R key, okay? And that is going to bring up this box. Then I'm going to put this in the description. You can copy it and paste it into the run box. Then click OK, because the problem is here, not in your browser settings, where you would think, oh, it's in my browser settings. No, the problem is corrupt cookies in the internet properties that are inherent in Windows 10 itself. Okay. Now, the first thing you probably should do is go ahead over here, restore advanced settings, click apply, restart your computer. Okay, come back in. Again, Windows R. Okay, paste that in here. Okay, and come back here. Now we're in the General tab. Click Settings. Click View Files. And all these files come up. Okay, this might log you out of the Exchange when you're all said and done, but at the moment, anyhow, you don't see anything else. So you can highlight it like that, or you can just press Control A, that highlights everything as well, and click delete. Yes, folder's empty. Shut this. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna empty out my poor recycling bin as always. Now let's try it again. Okay, this time you saw it was all there, but I want you to see what it's going to do to you. Okay, because when it first comes up, you're going to go, oh no, it's still empty. It put everything back in, and you see I have to log back in again. This was happening to me anyhow, that it wouldn't keep me logged in. And before I started to record this video, when I did this the first time, I was suddenly logged in, and before I started to record this video, I stayed logged in. There you have it. So anyhow, though, this is how you fix that problem. I saw on the internet that people have had this problem over and over again since at least 2017. And as we all go back to play The Sims 3 again, for our various reasons in the simming community, we are going to encounter issues like this over and over again. So I hope these videos that I make for you and post help somebody. I hope you have a wonderful day and happy simming. I will see you when I see you.